Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be checking out these two 1/64 scale resin Koenig competitions. One is from Loyal Classic and the white one is from YM Model. They appear to me at first glance to be absolutely incredible. Both are limited editions of 299 and we will crack them open and take a look here at them. First, we'll look at the boxes. I have a feeling, or at least I suspect, that they're made at the same factory. If not, they're very, very similar. One's pointed one way, and of course the other's pointed the other way. But to me, to my eyes, they look to me like they came out of the same factory. Obviously one is white and one is dark blue. I'm not sure what the reasoning is why they don't have a red one. That kind of has me confused a little bit, but I do like the white with the red interior and a blue with, I think it's a white interior. So let's crack them open and we'll take a closer look here at them. I've got these a few weeks ago. I ordered them directly from China off of eBay, so they took a little while to come, couple months. I would say a couple months, not several months, but it was over the holiday season when I ordered them. I think I ordered them back in early December, perhaps, something like that. Dark blue one says it's car number 46 out of. Oh, this one's $3.99. I thought it was $2.99. I'm sorry. Car 46. And the white one is car number 61 out of $2.99. Either way, both look absolutely spectacular. All right, now that we have both of them dismounted and up on the turntable, we can take a closer look here at the two of them. These particular ones are basically, I think this is like the 1987, 88 version. This is the competition one, so to speak. They did have a competition evolution, which the nose was a little more rounded in the front. And I think they did away with the single supercharger on the evolution. I know on the first version of the competition, which if you're unfamiliar with the Koenig competition, this was at the height of the tuning craze in the 80s, and it was based off of a Ferrari Testarossa. It has the flat 12-cylinder motor, but it was twin turbocharged and it had a single supercharger mounted on for the ultimate. I think it was around 1,000 horsepower, something like that. 0 to 60 was 3.5 seconds or so, and top speed, I believe, for this particular one, the first competition was like 217 miles an hour, I believe, or 210. The competition evolution, which was part 2 of it, which is not this one, but it's on the poster behind it, was supposed to be around 230 mile an hour top speed, 0 to 124 miles an hour in 10 seconds, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. But we will talk about the first version, which is the competition, which in my opinion is my favorite. I prefer the front nose fascia or front end. I prefer the first look better than the second. That's just my opinion. And I still have all my old Road and Track special magazines with the original coverage on it. And to me, it didn't get much better than that. Red with the red and black interior. Absolutely awesome. But these two, my other favorites are the dark blue, which reminds me of the dark blue convertible that they had made for a North American customer. And then we have the cocaine white with the red leather interior with a white leather covered roll bar inside. Both of these are absolutely incredible. Both would be, if I had blank checks and could spend the money, these two would be in the stable with a red one, in my opinion. It's still one of my favorite cars of all time. Oddly enough, I'm not as much as a Ferrari enthusiast as I was as a kid, but there's something about the Koenig Evolution that always did something for me. I don't know why. I guess because it was kind of a cross between, it reminded me of an F40 because of you had the F40 style rear wing, and then you also were combining the huge intakes on the sides from the Testarossa, and you get the triangular shape. I just love the car. Absolutely incredible. And to this day, I've never seen a real one of these, and I would love to be able to see a real one. And we have both feature the 3-piece gold centered OZ racing wheels. The detailing on these, like I said, I believe these are resin because they don't really weigh anything, are absolutely amazing for what I paid for them. I just cannot get over the amount of details on these. The more I look at this, it's absolutely mind-boggling. This is 1/64 scale. The interior and the detailing on the engine is quite impressive. They even have the black vents on that red dasher painted in. Absolutely incredible. And the seatbelt, the harnesses look great inside. I just wish you guys could see how cool this thing is in person. Sometimes it's very difficult to capture these on video. But this is a must-buy in my opinion if you're a Koenig fan. I didn't care for a lot of their other body kits, like for the Porsches and the BMWs and the Jaguars, but for whatever reason, I always loved the one for the Testarossa. You have these two NACA vents here in the back corners. As you can see over my left arm, that's the second iteration. You can see right here on this poster behind. It's hard because I'm going opposite of what I should be going here, but the front nose cone piece was shaped different for a higher top speed on that version. But other than that, really visual wise, it remained pretty similar to the first version from, I believe it would have been probably late 87 or 88 when it came out. The detailing on the wheels look great, the OZ caps. Centers look very accurate to the gold. That's the complaint I have with my GT Spirit Koenigs, the 1/18 scale. The wheel centers are almost a yellow. It's odd. They're almost like a mustard color, which I'm not sure why they did that, but at least this one looks golden. The plenums, everything looked great on the engine. The detailing is just something else. Down to the little logo there on the passenger side. Exhaust tips look great. The tampos look great on this. This might be one of my favorite 1/64 scale cars in my collection. It's right up there with that Singer Targa I had reviewed a while back. That one is also, in terms of detailing, very similar to this. It was a Pierre, I think, whatever the name, some fictional name that they give them there in China, but very impressive. We have the little tiny Ferrari logo on the front, which in real life they were told to remove. Enzo Ferrari had a real issue with them using the prancing horse logo on anything, so they had to remove all that. We do have the prancing horse shields on the fenders, which I believe they were never on the real cars. A lot of the collectors or enthusiasts added them. I know they're huge in Japan. The dark blue is stunning. The finish on this is absolutely incredible. I just cannot stop raving about this. The plexiglass engine cover looks great, like the little cutouts. Easily some of my favorite cars in my collection now. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, stunning. The gated shifter and everything I'm looking at, which I'm going to try to get to you guys to see that. We have mirrors as well. There's little mirrors, but the gated shifter and everything you can see down in there is something else. I mean, it is mind-boggling, the details. We got the white roll cage. We have red, black interiors, red seat belts. The engine detail. Is it just me, or am I gushing over nothing here? I don't know, but you guys have to let me know what you think of these. Pretty impressive. Trying to get the shot of the center console. Pretty amazing. That angle right there almost looks like a Z28 IROC Camaro, though, which is kind of strange, huh? Has separate taillight lenses. You can see that as I turn it. And it definitely has separate, has the European specification taillights. Absolutely incredible. Complete flat bottom. I don't know if there's brake details. It's hard to see. I doubt there's brake detail, but you never know with some of these that are coming out. It's so impressive. So there you go. We'll let it go around on the turntable. I'm just so happy with my purchase here because I ordered two of them, two different sellers. So I had to kind of wait till they both came in to get them up here to review them together. So you guys have to let me know down below, what do you think of the colors? How come they didn't release it in red? I don't know. Maybe they will sometime. And same with GT Spirit. I wish they would release the Competition 1 in 1/18 scale. I don't know why they didn't. That would be my favorite pick. The Evolution is fine, but I prefer the original version. Wow, just as something else. To have been rich in the late 80s, this is what you could have purchased. Very cool. So there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the bell for notifications. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't beat free. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Have a big contest coming up here soon, some sweepstakes. I'm going to try to give away 3 different kits or packages, lots, whatever you want to call it. And hopefully celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Who knows when that'll happen. But thanks for watching and being loyal. I will see you guys soon. All right. Have a good night. Bye now.